finishing the pear cider from the canned fruits. Okay. Okay.
She was so surprised.
I'm overtaking the channel just for today.
So you know what we need to do?
No, just the intro. Okay, I'm overtaking
okay.
the intro.
Okay, yes, we finished. First of all, we will rack it. It's become a little bit more cloudy when I carry it here. Too bad, but I'm sure it's still good.
How many weeks did you have it?
That's a good question. I think 3, 4.
Okay.
When did we start? Oh. Let's see. You want to smell it? And?
It smells like pee. Why? It smells like alcohol.
Ah, okay, yes, we make alcohol. That's a good thing.
I used to like when we make strawberry meat. It smells like strawberry. No, Henbury meat. It smells like the fruit.
We will see. Okay, we have a new auto siphon. It's big, so one good thing is I can use it also in my 5-liter fermenter. Easy. The bad thing is now it's big, so you will not see it. I will go down a little. Now it's low. So we just stop here short.
Okay. Oh, okay. I'm ready to see it. It's not ready. One.
We're completely dry.
That's why it smells so dry.
And we started with 1.095.
Yeah.
That's more than the 9% alcohol the yeast can handle.
And then?
We used. The yeast, again, prove us it can't read. It didn't know what's the factory right on the package.
So what is it needs to be back sweet?
I'm sure. I'm pretty sure it's not sweet enough for you exactly.
It just smells like the coconut wine.
I hope that smells a little bit more like pears, but we will see in a moment.
It's just too small. So that's it.
That is.
The only thing we can get. Just not even 5 liter.
What?
Not even 1.5 liter.
Okay.
I just see the 5.
So, because the rest is full with some dissolved pears, that's why we can't use it.
So this is the juice we get.
Can you give me a glass, please?
And just not even 1.5 liter.
And someone is crying. Okay, we just get a small sample. And someone is back. Yeah, it smells really yum.
Yeah.
Oh. Someone want to be here in the video, even when we drink wine.
What?
Take the food. But it needs to be sweeter.
Yeah, it tastes good.
But it needs to be sweeter.
Yeah, it's just dry. That's what you said. It really tastes good. I don't expect that. It really tastes good. Huh?
It needs to age a little bit and need more sugar. Okay.
I don't expect it. The smell is it's so dry and it's so. It's not even so sour.
Yes.
It's you can still sweet it. I thought we need to back sweet it, but still sweet, no? It's still sweet.
It's completely dry.
So now you need to back sweet it. But it's like that. But I can still taste it. It's sweet. What do you think?
I think it just needs age.
Maybe. I also thought
So we will bottle it.
maybe bottle it without the
Without
pears.
sugar?
Yeah. It's already good.
Completely dry. Put the glass away from the child.
Finish eating. I already tried it. And then you finish the video.
Okay, so I'm alone now because the little boy needs a mama. So this one up. Okay, I also need to cut the tube here, but I think let's start first. Okay, I prepared 2 bottles here. These are 2 1-liter bottles. Here, this is from steaming. You see here some condensed water because I steamed now. Maybe I will make a short how to prepare some of my bottles. I'm already done. You see this bottle is not full. Like I said, I will refill it to another bottle. I think because it's a lot of air and I don't want to have too much oxygen inside. But for now it's okay. I just don't shake it. I just be carefully with it. I checked again. These can almost read. So we're talking about 13% alcohol here and we're using a 12% yeast. That's still not bad. But of course not like when we just see 9% cider yeast. So it's still a little bit cloudy. It looks a little bit like the German Küstennebel. But Küstennebel is a German higher liquid and come from the north of Germany. But it's really cloudy. It's really far from not to be cloudy. But it's completely dry. So I'm not be thinking it's getting here some bottle bombs or something. Good. We like it. We think it just needs time. The smell is not so promising because you just smell some alcohol, not really the pear. Also, in the taste, they could more pear. Also in the taste, there could be more pear, but it's there. Maybe canned is not the best thing to make a wine. Maybe you're taking also the juice, more the juice than just the canned pears. What we don't try is one of this, but they also don't look like that you want to try it. So this one is a lot of mashed. I will put them in the bio, and this one is maybe promising in a while. It just need to be storaged. Yes, a little bit sweetness. It's complete dry, but you can taste sweetness. Maybe your brain said it must be sweet. It's fruit, and the alcohol is not so dominant there. So I like it. It's not the best, but I like it. My wife said also it's surprising. And yes, so if you like this video and maybe other videos I make, next time also make meat again, here are 2 more. And there you can subscribe. And of course, write in the comments. We see us the next time. Bye!